God's mercy goes everywhere.
God's mercy goes.
God said, go to Nineveh, tell them all to change their way. But Jonah said, I think I'll pass and sail the other way. A storm arose and rocked the boat. The sailors cried in fear. Throw me in, said Jonah loud, then skies will soon be clear. God's mercy goes everywhere, even in the storm or air. From the sea to city square, God's mercy goes everywhere. Down he sank beneath the waves, but that was not the end. A fish came by and gulped him up to help his heart to bend. 3 long days inside that fish he prayed and said, I'm wrong. The fish went blorp and spit him out. Now Jonah sang a song. God's mercy goes everywhere, even in the fish's lair. High or low, he'll hear your prayer. God's mercy goes everywhere. In the dark, all alone, I cried out, and he brought me home. Joy's mercy goes everywhere. God's mercy goes, even when we think he won't care. We think he won't care. Run or hide, he still is there. God's mercy goes everywhere.